Check out what I got. I just got back from Goodwill. I got a parasol. Oh my God. It was so cute. I couldn't leave it there. Oh my God. Now I just need to go somewhere where I need to be in the shade. Isn't it cool? So I collect umbrellas. Kind of cool old umbrellas. Vintagey stuff. It was $6.99. I said, yep. And then it all like folds up. I also got some yarn. Look at how old this is. This is what I love about what I do. I try to get old, repurposed stuff from the thrift store. And so if I can find yarn, and this is what I like about this, all this yarn was sitting probably in Grandma's closet for 30 years, maybe longer, just sitting there. Yeah, shortly it'll become a hat that'll be worn all winter long. A beanie that might be worn all year round, a slouch hat. Yeah, back to life. So, found some skeins of yarn, 3 of them, and a parasol. How cool. So, let's see. Spirit guided me to bring this deck out. Messages from the animals and Island Time Wellness messages. So, here's our stack of signs that we got left. Pop on your own. Who's this message for? Ooh. Libra. Libra, this message is for you. Okay? Libra. If you resonate with Libra, here's what Spirit wants to show you. I trust myself. Somebody might be getting a parasol, going someplace, getting cover, something like that. Next message. I wish I would have shown it. These were like, I'm going to show how they were like this, just kind of hanging off. Tiger, fire. I choose to be unstoppable. My passion is my power. I am bold, I am brave. Mighty forces come to my aid. Goose, inner knowing. The goose is the sign for a divine masculine energy for me. You are a brave traveler. Your soul knows the way. Be confident you will achieve your destination. Loyal friends are always with you. Don't worry, you are blessed. Let yourself fly. All right. And what's the message from Island Time Wellness for Libra? What's the message for Libra? I hear 3 messages, okay? 3 messages. First message, the snake and mirror. The snake, competition, enemy, clever, malicious, look over your shoulder, the other woman. Mirror, mirroring each other, self-image, relationships reflect our wounds, introspection. Okay, second message, if you resonate with Libra, what's the second message? Message for Libra. What's the message for Libra? Cupid's arrow. Oh, Libra. Oh. Guess what? Cupid's on a rampage with a quiver full of arrows, and you just got hit. Have faith. Love is coming. Surprise invitation or a meeting. Hesitation. I think somebody's not hesitating anymore. All right. Next message. Final message. If you resonate with Libra. It's true. Cupid on a rampage with a quiver full of arrows. Libra, you got hit. Or you're about to. Love call. Someone expresses love. A message of love. Thinking of you and letting you know. Libra. Looks like you got some good loving coming your way. Oh my God! Right on, Libra.